for those who are just starting their journey of investing, the first step is to open a Demat account. Let's understand what it is. A Demat account is a digital account where you can hold your securities in an electronic form. This eliminates the need for physical documentation and makes it easier to buy and sell shares. So, whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is for you. Let's get started and learn how to open a Demat account for stock market investing. Before we take the video forward, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on the stock market, and make sure to hit that notification bell to never miss an update from us. But, before we tell you how to open a Demat account, you must understand, why should you open a Demat account? If you wish to invest in the Indian stock markets, you must first open a Demat account. Without a Demat account, you cannot buy or invest in shares of firms where you think you could gain maximum returns. It can seem excessive to you to open a Demat account just to store shares. However, a Demat account can also carry out the subsequent actions. When using Samco Securities, such as mutual funds, government bonds, exchange-traded funds, and so on. As a result, when you register a Demat account, you obtain centralized storage for all of your financial assets. With a Demat account from Samco Securities, you can easily buy and sell shares, monitor your investments, and stay on top of market trends. And you're good to go. We hope you found this tutorial on how to open a Demat account for stock market investing useful and instructive. Remember, a Demat account is an essential tool for any investor, so don't hesitate to take advantage of this opportunity to take control of your financial future with Samco Securities. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at Samco Securities. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and insights on stock market investing. Thank you for watching and happy investing.
From Samco, the new gen mobile trading platform. Ace the Index.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.